at night.
I want to save the world.
This participation mainly reflects a shared commitment that we are all one big Singapore and we are all here to give back to the community and champion this body cause.
Sports is a great thing. Sports is also one way to keep communities together. Here, we will continue to show the discipline. This is the marvel of sports.
Today's event sparks that spirit, showing what possible when we sports and Olympic come together.